This is the elevator at the Burlington on 6th Avenue in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler MT traction elevator. So Schindler MT traction. Faraday alarm bell. Here it is. We're gonna take a round trip here.
Watch out, there might be people getting.
That keg on my own. Go down to B2.
We'll head downstairs.
We'll head down to B2. We're gonna go a round trip. Here we go.
There's a basement level too.
350 feet per minute. Stop at B1. Going down. Up. It's going down.
We'll send it right back.
What floor are you guys going? What floor are you going to? 1? What?
Hello? They don't keep calling me. I was just wondering if it's out of the house. Yeah, on the phone now.
You're at B2. Let's go up to 2.
Okay.
1.
2 minutes.
Going up. Going up.
They don't want to go. They don't want to go. They just standing there.
Here we go. So Schindler traction elevator. Stop at B1 again.
Oh.
Stop at B1. Going up.
They're right there.
2.
I'm going by the door.
First floor.
Yes, I guess.
This used to be a gimbal store.
Was it?
This used to be a gimbal store.
Years ago.
Oh, was it?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
And then we can go take a look at some stuff on the
Door
second floor.
close button does not work. This thing is busy.
So
Actually,
we're getting off the elevator now.
getting off at 2.
Yeah.
There's Big Brother. Basic cab. Schindler MT. No phone. Oh, that escalator's broken.
Turn it
There it goes, and that's it.